Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter 7, that is human environment. In previous class we discussed transport and communication. Today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. They are: tick the correct options, fill in the blanks, true or false, and answer the following questions in brief. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct options. Students, in this exercise you are given 4 options. First you have to read carefully statement, then you have to select correct one. Let's see first number. Which one of the following represents human environment? Options are forest, desert, city, ocean. Students, forest, desert, ocean are the part of natural environment. So correct answer is city. Now coming second number. The uneven terrain of highland areas results in. Options are dispersed settlements, compact settlements, urban settlements, small township. And correct answer is dispersed settlement. The uneven terrain of highlands areas results in dispersed settlements. Now come in third number. Transportation is helpful for the. Options are industrialization of a place, cleanliness of a place, slow and steady development of a place, and last one, population of a place. And correct answer is industrialization of a place. Transportation is helpful for the industrialization of a place. Now come in fourth number. The floating towns are. Options are large mechanized ship, those where large scale migration takes place, floating gardens in a river, Shikara of Kashmir. And correct answer is large mechanized ships. The floating towns are large mechanized ships. Now come in fifth number. HBJ pipelines is used for transportation of. Options are petroleum, water, slurry iron ore, natural gas. And correct answer is natural gas. HBJ pipelines is used for the transportation of natural gas. Now we will discuss second exercise, that is fill in the blanks. Let's see first number. Road transport is used for dash distances. Correct answer is shorter. Road transport is used for shorter distances. Now coming second number. Dash are commonly used for transportation of liquid materials. Correct answer is pipelines. Pipelines are commonly used for transportation of liquid materials. Now coming third number. Metro is available in large cities like dash and dash. Correct answer is Kolkata, Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Jaipur, Chennai. Students, you can write any two. Now coming fourth number. Nomads are completely dependent on the dash to satisfy their basic needs. And correct answer is environment. Nomads are completely dependent on the environment to satisfy their basic needs. Now coming fifth number. Dash provide communication services even to the remote areas of the country. And correct answer is satellite. Satellite provide communication services even to the remote areas of the country. Now coming exercise C, that is write true or false for the following statements. Let's see first number. Pipelines are the most important means of transporting solid goods. No, it is false statement. Pipelines are the most important means of means for transporting liquid goods. Okay, so it is false statement. Now coming second number, metros rails are the fastest and the most comfortable means of transport in metropolitan cities. Yes, it is true statement. Now coming third number, waterways are the cheapest mode of transport. Yes, it is true statement. Now coming fourth number, in ancient times, cultivation was most common in the hilly areas only. No, it is false statement. In ancient times, cultivation was not common in hilly areas only. Now coming fifth number, plains are the least favorable location for the establishment of compact settlements. No, it is also false statement. Now we will discuss exercise D, that is answer the following questions in brief. Let's see first number, what are weight point settlements? Answer is the settlements that grow around a source of water are known as weight point settlements. Again I repeat answer, the settlements that grow around a source of water are known as weight point settlements. Now coming second question, explain the term transportation. Name the various means of transportation. Answer is transportation is the act of moving people or goods from one place to another. The various means of transportation are railways, roadways, waterways, airways, pipelines. Now coming third question, what is the importance of means of communication? Answer is communication is very important for exchanging knowledge and ideas, which in turn contribute to economic development. It also helps in developing social relationship and unity. Again I repeat answer, communication is very important for exchanging knowledge and ideas, which in turn contribute to economic development. It also helps in developing social relationship and unity. Now coming fourth number, give two advantages of electrification of railways. Answer is two advantages of electrification of railways are, first, it has resulted in reduced pollution. Second, it has helped in carrying large number of passengers from one place to another. Now coming fifth number, mention two advantages of waterways over airways. Answer is two advantages of waterways over airways are, waterways is the cheapest mode of transportation for heavy and bulky goods as compared to airways. Second, they can transport hundreds of passengers and vast amount of goods from one country to another. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.